The reason why you don't need multiple serums to get a very smooth face is because using multiple serums at once can sometimes clog your pores. So recently I've been getting a whole lot of compliments as to how flawless and dazzling my face is looking, and the most frequent question I get asked is, what have you been using, what have you been doing differently? So in this video I'm here to tell you how to actually use one serum to get a very smooth and dazzling face. Now this is not a clickbait, this is something that had worked for me and for other people that are really close to me, that takes my recommendation really personal.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. How is everyone doing? In today's video I'm going to be talking to you guys about how you can actually get a smooth dazzling face using just one serum. Yes, it is possible. So if anyone had ever told you that you need multiple serums to get a very smooth face, then tell that person that it's a lie, because one serum can actually do the job if only you know the ingredients and the right things to do. So this video is going to be divided into 4 or 3 categories. First off is telling you what to do in order to achieve this result. Secondly, be telling you ingredients to look out for. Thirdly, I'm going to be telling you why you don't need multiple serums to actually get a flawless face. Lastly, product recommendation, because I have 2 powerful serums on my list that I'm going to be recommending, that if followed religiously and carefully, just as I will be telling you in this video, then you're definitely going to love the outcome in 14 days. Like I said, 14 days you're definitely going to get a very good result. Yeah, if this is your first time, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to this one. I hope you guys know that I appreciate your love and effort towards this channel. So having said that, without further ado, let's delve straight into the video. For any skincare product to work effectively, you need to adopt a consistent routine. I have a lot of friends who have like skincare product they bought with a whole lot of money, but they don't follow those routines religiously. Once in a week, twice in a week, and other times they even forget they have things like that lying on their vanity. So you want to adopt a constant skincare practice. Your morning and nighttime routine should be very important to you. You don't need to joke with it. You don't need to overlook it. Don't say, oh, I did it in the morning, I don't need to do it at night. And the second thing you obviously would need is using a brightening cleanser. Now generally cleansers helps to banish dead skin buildup, cleanse our face and prepping it for other skincare products to penetrate deeply. So if you don't cleanse your face, you might not get the exact same result as me or as your counterpart. So in order for this to work effectively, you need to follow these steps carefully. The third thing you need is exfoliation. And when it comes to exfoliating the face, it can really get tricky. Like I always advise people not to use their body scrubs on the face, because that might strip your face. Of course, we all know that the skin on our face is much more delicate than that of our body. So it is very important that you mind the kind of scrubs, like exfoliants, you take to your face. So for me, I would recommend a very mild and gentle exfoliant that will help exfoliate your face. This takes it a step further by unclogging your pores, just prepping your face just as the cleanser would do. So of course your exfoliants comes before your cleansers, however you chose to do it, because sometimes you can still cleanse your face in the bathroom. So however you chose to do it, make sure that you cleanse your face. You're working with a very clean surface, so that way whatever it is you're taking to your face would penetrate and do its magic. Okay, the fourth thing you need to start doing is using a mask. And for a mask, I would highly recommend a clay mask, because this helps to improve the skin texture. Clay masks are very good. Like you can Google about the importance of clay masks. You can also use turmeric mask on the face, turmeric and honey mask. This helps to soften the face, repair the face, and also get rid of dark spots on the face, because of course that's what turmeric is known for. Then the honey there is just to help smooth, glow and treat your face. So very important. Just these 2 ingredients would really help improve your skin texture. Now the fifth thing you need is choosing an effective moisturizer. Now I cannot emphasize on the importance of moisturizers enough. Moisturizers are very necessary because of course they help moisturize our face. Like, they don't contain any harmful ingredient that is harmful to sunlight or that will furthermore damage your face. What the moisturizers does is just to help moisturize your face and give you a very glowy finish. So choosing a moisturizer should be carefully done, because you don't want to go about choosing any kind of moisturizers. There are moisturizers that do not really moisturize. There are moisturizers that are meant for oily skin, sensitive skin, and as well as other skin types. So make sure you're going for moisturizers that best describe your skin type as well as your skin concern. The list goes on and on, but these are the most important. So the last but not the least here is choosing a sunscreen. Choosing a sunscreen would help shield you away from the UV ray of the sun, because of course our skin is very sensitive to sun, and sun is not really good for the skin. Apart from giving you sunburn, discoloration, and all of that, it might cause skin cancer. I know a lot of people do not know. They just feel, oh, sunscreen is just to protect me or help my skincare product to work effectively. There are sunscreen that helps to get rid of dark under eye circles, sunburns, and all of that. So depending on the kind of sunscreen you're using, you want to reapply your sunscreen every 2 to 3 hours. That way it gives you maximum protection away from the sunlight. Now on the kind of ingredients to look out for in a serum that is believed to give you a smooth, lighter face or a smooth, dazzling face. Number one, look out for serum that contains niacinamide, or you can call it vitamin B3. If you see any serum that has vitamin B3, just know that that is niacinamide, because that's another name for it. It helps hydrate skin, make it look or appear smoother. Niacinamide is believed to help nourish your face, hydrate your face, and leave a very smoother finish after application or whilst using it. Niacinamides are very good. They can be used during the daylight. Also helps to, brighten the face. Majorly known for smoothing and hydrating. Second ingredient you need to look out for, hyaluronic acid. Now this is a key ingredient for hydration, smoothing, moisturizing, and anything you can call it. It also helps to get rid of wrinkles and freckles on the face. Hyaluronic acid is very good because it also serves as an anti-aging ingredient. Like, the reason for this is because hyaluronic acid helps to bind water on the skin, keeping it moisturized and plumped all day. Other ingredients you should also look out for, ingredients like vitamin E and vitamin C are also very good in helping moisturize and keeping your face really smooth. Now the reason why you don't need multiple serums to get a very smooth face is because using multiple serums at once can sometimes clog your pores, unless of course for those who already know how to go about it, or recommended by a dermatologist, and they will tell you the routine to follow or how to go about it. But generally it is not advisable to use more than one serum, because some of the times you might not have the time to be patient enough for you to wait for the serum, like the first serum, to sink in before applying another one. Because one trick about getting a very good skincare routine is, for every time you apply anything on your face or any skincare product, you want to give it time for it to sink before introducing another one. You don't want to go applying your serum and moisturizer almost at the same time. You need to give it 30 seconds to 1 minute for it to sink. There are other products that needs to be given like 3 minutes before you go over it with another one. So in order for you to be on a safe side, it is advisable to stick to just one serum. The fact that your face are using more than one serum does not mean that if you go on ahead and use it, you're going to get the same result, because you don't know what they do before and after. So using more than one serum at a go can clog your pores, which is what you want to avoid in order to have a smooth face. So it is best you find a serum that best describes your skin type as well as your skin needs. So getting that off the way, now the last but not the least thing here is product recommendation. I'm going to recommend just 2 serums that are very good. Now I'm not saying, because a lot of people would ask me, tell us the one you're using and all of that. You can actually make do with whatever you have. You don't necessarily need to use the one I'm using. You can make do with maybe the vitamin C serum that you have, the retinol serum that you have. Just following the step would give you the same result. The very first serum I have on my list here is the Active Pearl 4-in-1 serum. Now this serum is like, particularly formulated for people who wants to glow up, who wants to have a very, very smooth face. Like, now why it is called a 4-in-1 serum is because it contains 4 active ingredients all at once that are very, very beneficial to the skin. It has vitamin C 30%. It also contains 5% niacinamide, 10% vitamin E oil, and 10% hyaluronic acid. So remember I said ingredients that are believed to give you a smooth, radiant face includes hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, vitamin E, vitamin C, right? Now this particular serum contains all of these ingredients, so you can barely find serum that contains all of these ingredients as one. So this would not just only give you a smooth looking face or a smooth radiant face, it's also going to brighten your face because niacinamide and vitamin C helps to brighten the face. Okay, so it is very, very good. The vitamin E there helps to keep your face really, really moist and really, really, you know, glowy. So yeah, it is very, very good. Like, this is not to say that it is every skincare product that will work effectively. There are other skincare products that might react badly, so but it does not mean that the product is entirely bad. Okay, so other than getting a smooth face, it helps to get rid of wrinkles and reduces dark under eye circle as well as sunburn. So it is very good and you're definitely going to have value for your money. The second serum on my list would be the Active Balance Facial Serum. This serum is a very nice serum as it contains ingredients that are very beneficial to the skin. They are also going to help reduce hyperpigmentation, discoloration, dark under eye circles, sunburn, as well as dark spot on the face. And it's also going to give you a very, very glowy radiance and a smoother finish. So buy any one you come across. I don't like recommending just one product. In case you cannot find a particular one, you just can find the next one. Okay, now for those who ask which is more important or which is best, note that product work differently for different people. So again, you can actually, you know, go, because they don't sell for the same amount, so you can actually go for the one that's you know, you can afford, or the one you can find. Okay, it also has hyaluronic acid, comes in a light-weighted consistency just like the other one. Now if you want to know serums that are really hydrating, now serums that comes in a light-weighted consistency. Now this serum also encourages visible, younger and plump looking skin. So the serum is actually really good. Like I said, the active ingredient here is hyaluronic acid. It also has other vitamins that are also beneficial to the skin, just like I mentioned earlier. I hope this video helps you. I hope you can find any of this serum. If you want me to recommend more serum like this, just let me know, because there are other serums that are really nice as well that you're definitely going to love. So I hope this video meets you well. I hope you find this really helpful. If this video was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram with the handle on your screen, and hopefully I see you guys in my next one very, very soon. Bye.